Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Welcome to my new lecture, that is Endora Compression. So in previous lecture we have already talked about the different manufacturing process like dry granulations and wet granulations. So this is the third one methods which is used for the manufacturing of tablet, that is Endora compressions. So Endora compression, the wet granulation and dry granulation methods having series of unit operation, both time consuming and potentially costly. Potentially more attractive opinion for manufacture of the tablet involve further mixing and subsequent compression of the further mix, thereby avoiding the need for granulation in this process called Endora compressions. So why Endora compression method is used? So the mechanism of particle interaction in tablet produced by Endora compression are similar to those of ratio and tablet produced by the dry granulation and roller compactions. These are the excipients which are used in Endora compression, like diluents or fillers, you can say. The spray dried lactose or lactoprise, spray dried or lactoprise, they are used. So spray dried 250 and dicalcium phosphate, mannitol, sorbitol and MCC, they are used. MCC, microcrystalline cellulose, so they are used as a diluent. Disintegrants, so these are also called MCC, microcrystalline cellulose, for example avicils, and pre-gelatinized starch 1500, starch, sodium starch glycolate, and cross-kermilose and sodium cross-povidone. So as usually we are use different type of disintegrants like microcrystalline cellulose and starch, etc. So sodiums as well as sodium starch glycolate, they are used. The third one is lubricants. Like magnesium stearate, stearic acid, and sodium stearyl fumarate. These are lubricants. These are also used as excipients and tablets, especially in Endora compression methods. The fourth one is gradants. So gradants, these are talcs or colloidal silicon dioxide. What are the advantages and disadvantages of the compression methods? So compression methods, there are, you can say, there are fewer processing steps, and therefore the method is potentially more cost effective than other methods. So Endora compression compact methods and Endora compression, they do not, you can say, it doesn't require the use of water or other solvent, therefore it negates potential problem regarding stability of therapeutic agents and the presence of the solvents. In addition, heating is not required in Endora compression. Lubrication is performed in the same vessel as powder mixing, thereby reducing both transport losses and contamination of equipments. Disadvantages of the compression method is the special grade excipients, they are required. The quality and uniformity of the final dosage form depends on excipients. There may be issue regarding the powder flow into the tableting machine, and the final tablets produced by Endora compression tend to be softer than those products by wet granulation, rendering them more difficult to the process using post tableting technique, for example tablet coatings. The fifth one is it is not used if a colorant is required in the formulation due to the mortal dependencies of the resulting dosage form. And thank you so much for watching my presentation.